Now, this next thing to be aware of is something that if you are in a position where you did have under withholding, you could potentially use this tip to help solve that need, but you could also use it to benefit other areas of your finances, and that is utilizing the Social Security bonus. This is something that I say in jest. It's a term we use in the financial services industry. It's not a real thing where you get like an extra bonus for Social Security, but what it refers to is we've talked about Social Security on this podcast in the past, and that you pay as an employee 6.2% in Social Security taxes and 1.45% in Medicare taxes. Now, you owe that 1.45% in Medicare taxes on all of your income. Matter of fact, when you earn certain amounts of money, you pay more than that. You pay a Medicare surcharge on top of that 1.45%. But that base level of Medicare taxes, there's no limit on how much you earn and how much is taxed for that type of tax. However, with Social Security, it works differently. Social Security is 6.2%, but it's only levied against income up to the Social Security wage base. The wage base in 2025 is $176,100. And that means that for someone who earns $500,000, they're paying the same amount in Social Security tax as the person who makes $176,100. It doesn't matter that they make more than twice as much. Everybody stops paying their Social Security tax once they have met that wage base. Now, if you are an extreme high income earner and you earn more than $176,100, what that means is throughout the entire year before you hit that wage limit, you have the Social Security taxes coming out of your check. But once you cross over that threshold, that 6.2% drops off. And that's what's called the Social Security bonus. It's the additional 6.2% that's on your check after you've paid all the taxes to Social Security that are required for the year. This represents a golden opportunity for people who have under withheld on their federal income taxes to take that Social Security bonus and put it towards their withholding for the rest of the year to make sure that their tax bill is reduced. But if you're not in a position where you've under withheld, then you can put that extra Social Security bonus towards other things, like potentially maxing out a health savings account or a 401k or anything that can help lower your tax bill even further before year end.